This is part 3 of the driving through the woods by my house. Inadvertently stopped part 2. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, right down here on the Colorado River. It's a pretty steep hill we're going up. I don't know if you can tell that on the video, but coming up on the river where I can drive out actually into the river. Sometimes the water's up too high and I can't do it. I'll see what it looks like today. Okay, looks like I can chance it. Let's cross my fingers that it's not too muddy. Ooh. It is pretty muddy. I'm not going to stick around out here in this too long. I will hop off though and show you my cart real quick. I got a 6-inch lift on it. It's an Easy Go, 1997. Some aluminum rims. 22-inch tires, back seat, lights. Pretty fun. I need to upgrade the motor controller so I can make it up those hills a little bit better. When I put the bigger tires on, I lost a lot of torque. up a pretty steep hill here. I don't know if you can even tell in the video how steep it is. Maybe by how far the trees are leaning over. Once I get that new upgraded motor controller, I'll be able to fly up these hills. Of course, it'll probably kill my battery quicker, but I guess can't win in everything. I'm sure you can tell by the horse poop in the trail that I share these trails with horses. I guess my camera can't focus over that way, but just beyond those trees, a big valley, and down where the river is, where we just came from. So anyway, this is the end of part 3. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. It's almost 10 minutes.